Did you know that according to a recent survey, 75% of office workers and data analysts are struggling to effectively filter and analyze data in their spreadsheets? This is largely due to their inability to master the powerful formulas of SUMIFS, COUNTIFS, and AVERAGEIFS. These three formulas are often misunderstood or underutilized, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently apply them to your own spreadsheets and unlock the full potential of your data analysis. To begin with, let's cover the basics. SUMIFS is a formula that sums up a range of cells based on multiple criteria. The syntax is SUMIFS, sum underscore range, criteria underscore range 1, criteria 1, criteria underscore range 2, criteria 2. For example, let's say we have a list of sales data with region and product information. We want to calculate the total sales for the Western region and the product smartphone. Our formula would be equals SUMIFS, C2,